vintage. Hey guys, what's up and welcome back to my channel. My name is Mary Ellen, and in today's video I'm going to be sharing with you two patterns that I made, as well as a vintage sewing pattern and fabric haul from my grandmother's house. So without further ado, let's get into it. Alright, so first off, for the patterns that I made, I found these both on Seamwork.com. It's an online sewing community that has 3 membership levels and patterns as well as other wonderful resources. So I signed up for the middle membership pretty quickly after discovering the website, and with the middle membership you can get 2 free pattern downloads a month from their pattern library. So these are the 2 that I chose. First off, here's a quick look at Seamwork's website. Just scrolling down the homepage here. Here's their membership information. And then here is their pattern section. As you can see, there's a bunch of different patterns, as well as different ways to filter through the patterns, garment type and fabric type. They have accessories as well as clothing. Lots to choose from. Also under patterns is the pattern hacks section. So different folks have done different pattern hacks and showcase them there. Here are the different classes. You can sew along with them, get in a specific project. Here are the different tutorials. They show you a step-by-step for specific sewing skills, like sewing a bias binding, how to press fabric, different stitches on your machine, those types of things. And then this is the community page. You can post pictures of your different sewing projects, and then also you can post questions. And then here's a section for your goals. So all in all, it's a great website. First off is the Orlando. It is a knit tee with a scoop neck and a cap sleeve. And this is a navy rib knit that I got. I can't remember where. But this is a great pattern. I think the next time I make it, I'm gonna size down at least 1 size, because this is still a bit looser than I would probably like a knit shirt to be, but I can still wear it. It's no big deal. I use stay tape, or the pattern uses stay tape on the shoulder seams, so I never used that before, so that was fun. And the cap sleeve, I don't think I've ever done a cap sleeve on a pattern before, as well as a scoop neck. I didn't think I would like the scoop neck, but I do. So yeah, this is a great pattern and I will definitely be making it again. Alright, for the next pattern, this is the Dani. I believe it is a Pinafore. I will pop it up here, what it's called, the proper name. But I love this pattern, and it turned out so well, I think. This is by far the most complex pattern I think I've ever done. It's fully lined, so I chose to sew it in this, oh my gosh, pink, neutral pink herringbone. There we go. It's a flannel. And then this blush colored satin as the lining. And it turned out awesome. I think I'm gonna wear it to Christmas. So yeah, it was a really fun make, and I will insert pictures for the previous, which you'll have already seen because that's how videos work. But I will insert a picture for the Dani as well. They turned out so cute. So yeah, those are my 2 Seamwork patterns. I'm very excited to download 2 more and sew them next month, and I will of course share those when they are sewn. So without further ado is the pattern and fabric haul from my grandmother's house. So I got a total of 5 patterns, and she has a lot more. So they are 3 Simplicities, a Butterick, and a McCall's. So I'll start out with the Simplicities. This is the 9293. I assume they recycle their the numbers, but it's this little button-up blouse. Isn't that cute? There you go. So 3 options, versions. Yeah, we'll see how they come out. I want to make all of these, so this would probably be good for work in an office setting or in a not office setting. So yeah. Alright, this is probably my favorite. It's the Simplicity 5161. It's, I don't know what style of dress this is. It kind of looks like a tunic neckline, but then has like a peasant style, like sleeve and skirt. I really don't know what I'm talking about, but I really love this pattern, and I'm excited to make this. I actually didn't even look at the sizing, so I really hope these are gonna work. Honestly, they probably won't because my grandmother is tiny. I had never even thought about that. But yeah, I don't think I'm gonna be able to use these. But I can still share them, you know. I can still share them. Okay, moving on. Alright, this next one is the Simplicity 9903. Just a cute little dress or top. Cute little dress for summer. I don't know, I probably can't make this one either. I don't know. TBD. We don't know yet. But hopefully. Alright, next is the Butterick 3844. Got a lot of different versions of this dress. All very cute. Hopefully I can make this one. It's size extra small, small, medium, included in this pattern. So hopefully I can make the medium. We shall see. I really hope so. This one has a lot of cool versions. I really like version B and then A as well. Really all of them. But yeah. Alright, last but not least. McCall's 7479. Go very 90s, 2000s, I don't know. But I like the longer dress in this pattern. And this is sizes extra small, small, and medium again. So hopefully I can use this. Hopefully it's not already cut out. I don't think it is. Hopefully we should be good. Alright, let's get on to the fabrics. Got my box. Okay. So, first up is this gray. It's like a darker gray. Satin, I think. Feels like satin. I don't know. It's like slippy or slinky. But it's this really pretty gray with little butterflies. I thought it was cute. I saw a blouse pattern on Etsy. I'll try to throw up a picture or something. That looked really, really cute, and I think this fabric would be really nice for that. Or it would be a good lining fabric for like a jacket, but I think I might try to make the blouse. I'm not sure how much of each of these there are. This is probably at least 2 yards. Not quite sure though. But moving on, the next one is this teal, really bright teal, like linen, I think. I'll probably make a dress out of this or something, but it is quite bright. But that is all right. And next up is a rayon. It's a white rayon. I don't know why I'm showing you the color, it's white. But yeah, this is nice. I'm sure I can make something out of this. I have no real plans for these fabrics except for that first one. We have 3 yards of this rose red linen, which is really pretty. Yeah, I'll have to think carefully about what I want to make with these. Yeah, that's a really pretty red. It's coming up a lot brighter on camera, but it is a bright red, but not as bright as that. All right, I think there's one more. This is I don't really know what type of fabric it is, but it's this gray floral. It's really pretty. Not sure what I would make with this, but I like it, and it's pretty. Like I've said for every one of the fabrics. So anyway, those are the fabrics. So that pretty much wraps it up for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and if you like this video, give it a like, and please consider subscribing for more. And with that, I will see you in the next one. Bye guys.